Hey fam, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well today. Hope you're having a great week. In today's video, as you guys read from the title, I'm going to be showing you guys my apartment tour. This is unofficial apartment tour because I have like 2 things that I need to get for the apartment, but I thought, you know what? I am just gonna show you guys the real deal. This is my apartment. You guys have been asking for this. I did a video like this about 2 years ago, and at that time I was living with my cousin. She was my roommate. However, she moved, she got married, and yeah, so I am gonna show you guys the apartment. This is my 2018 apartment tour. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. My cousin made this, by the way. She left it here. So I'm like, thank you, Neville. Thank you. So let's just start off from the entrance. And as usual, little Nugget wants to say hi. He's tired though. Look at his eye. When he gets tired, he gets kind of red eyes, but hi, buddy. Tell him hi. Aww. I say hi, so I've taught him how to say it. Give me 5. There you go, buddy. There you go. I gotta show them the apartment though. Okay guys, so this is the entrance right here. You walk in, and this is my apartment. It's really cozy. It's perfect size. This is the entrance. Here's the door. There's Nugget waiting to see if we go out. So I have a chair right here in the entrance. It's kind of like a mid-century chair with a nice little throw pillow right there. Now I typically don't have this gate right here. I do have that now because this guy tends to go to the cords back there. So I try to kind of keep this closed off. But typically this wouldn't be there. It would just be this ottoman, and I have this coat that I should have taken off, but I have a coat right there. This is my ottoman. And then I have this awesome little planter right there. There's a mirror right there. What's up? And yeah, this is a little cool planter that I got. This is from Target. I will have everything on screen where everything is from. And then I have these awesome little retro patents on the floor, kind of like a little bit of a European vibe to the apartment. I kind of like them down there. And I have a huge mirror right up there, which is super bright. And then right next to the window, I have this awesome little bookshelf right here with lots of cool little knickknacks and things like that. Then I have my lamp right there with a little coffee table as well, kind of going with the decor. GQ, of course, nice little candle, pumpkin spice. Then I have my couch. I spend a lot of time here. And then just a few throw pillows, nice little accent right there with the pop of that red-orange type of color with the pillow. And then my coffee table, Joe actually sanded the table down. It used to be like a dark brown. And then I have my serving tray with nice little plants. My lens is right there for some reason, some nice candles. And yeah, it's usually not as clean, of course. I had to do it for you guys. And then I have a nice little pop of a gray shaggy type of rug. And there's Nugget once again. Hi, babe. Nugget. Scratching his head. And then right here above the couch, I have this mid-century geometric type of, you know, frame. I like the fact that it looks gold, but at night sometimes it kind of looks silver, so it can kind of go, you know, both ways. So that is my living room area. Nice little open window. I gotta have light in here in the apartment. And right in front of the couch, I have my TV from LG. This is a nice OLED curved HD TV. I'm looking for a really good piece to have under there. Not sure if I should go with lighter brown or like dark brown or gold. I don't know. Let me know below in the comments if you guys have any suggestions. What would look good down here or like on the side or something like that. Let me know below. Any decor tips, let me know. So right over here next to the couch, I have another little bookshelf. I love this frame right here. This is from Urban Outfitters. Be bold, brave, and brilliant. And then I have nice little accents on the bookshelf, little house right there with a nice little plant and then some candles, of course. My nightly routine, gotta turn on the candles so it can smell nice. Then down here I have a couple of books, a couple of cookbooks, paleo cookbooks. This is a gradient puzzle right there with a nice little plant, Oprah Winfrey book, and a little pug dog with a few vases down here. And down here I have Nugget's little play bed. He sometimes takes a nap there during the day and just kind of like drags his toys in there, which is kind of funny. But then right over here I have my kitchen, which I love. Nice little ivy plant up there and open shelves. Oh, I want to show you guys these little cups. So these are like the Vans 50 years anniversary cup. So it's pretty cool. I have the collection right there. And can you guys believe we're already in February? Crazy. So this is a cool little thing where you can kind of change the dates throughout the day. Little block calendar. And down here I have my 7 lemons, which is feng shui. It's for good luck. So I like to have that on hand. With my little, I was actually drinking tea earlier today. I just moved it to the side. I have my laptop. My watch is currently charging. And yeah, this is just basically my kitchen. The only thing, you gotta have everything pretty much color coordinated or else it'll look kind of crazy. I'm kind of known for collecting coffee mugs. As you guys can see here, I have just a bunch of different coffee mugs, and of course some alcohol, some tequila, and some jars up there and stuff like that. Is this interesting? I hope you guys find this pretty interesting. And then right here on the fridge, I have a few pictures. Here is myself, my mom, just a few, you know, just awesome pictures right there. I miss New York. Take me back to New York. My dad, my cousins. And I have this right here. Tell me where you want to travel next. I have San Fran, Seattle, Portland, Nashville. I've been to all of these with the exception of Nashville and New Zealand. I want to go. They're just awesome little things like that on my fridge. Nothing really that exciting. Now let's take a tour to the outside. So it's a nice little area back here. I kind of love the lights that I put up. And I have a little table right here with a hammock. So I usually chill out here pretty much like every evening. I'm a really, I love the outdoors. Look at Nugget, he's just following me everywhere. But yeah, I love chilling out here like in the evening. I just, especially right now that it's getting kind of chilly and cool at night, it's really nice to hang out here. And then I have this right here. Here's the rest of my kitchen, right there. I have rotisserie chicken that I have to eat later on. My Keurig coffee mug. Now I'm missing two things in the apartment to have it complete. I'm missing a dining room table right here. I'm supposed to put like a little, I want to put like a circular wooden table right here in the corner or something like that, just to have, you know, a place to eat. However, I do eat a lot on the living room. So yeah, if you guys have other suggestions, let me know what would look nice right here in this little corner, because I need a table. I just don't know which one to get or what type. And then I have my little Woo sign right there with Nuggets food. This, I don't know if you guys want to go in here. This is my storage, but it's pretty unorganized. Well, somewhat unorganized. Then right over here, I have my office room / Nuggets playroom. This is where I film. So this is, like I said, / filming room / office. I usually edit right here. This is my desk with my computer. Then I have that, my vision board's right there. And this is just pretty much my computer setup. And then I have my clothing rack. This is what you guys see in the background of my filming. So this is a little behind the scenes look. Let me open up the blinds a little bit more. Secret, believe it or not, this is the wallpaper that I got. So this is not really brick, although it gives the illusion of brick in my videos, but I just have one corner, you know, brick. I have my Obey poster. I do have my socks and underwear in these little cubbies right there, so I do use that. I have my background set up right here with a few little things, my YouTube plaque. All my rings, for some reason, I have them right here, just kind of spread out. I took this picture right here of the palm trees, and then here's my ring, some hats. My cologne is back here, sunglasses, and then I have my camera down there, just my camera equipment. Now I do use that stool for filming. I just bring it closer to the middle of the room. So if you guys can see, this room is pretty much a bunch of stuff. It is my filming room, my office room, and pretty much kind of like half of my closet. I also have a lot of products right here that I get from different PR and stuff like that, just lab series that I've stocked up on. Hair products, I have hair products. I have more hair products behind there and more hair products in this little cube right here. I'm not joking, you guys, when I say I have a lot of hair products. Then right over here to the side, I have my bags, my scarves, my camera. This is my little beanie area, just like art and stuff like that. And I say Nuggets playroom because he has all of his toys right down there, and he usually has them spread out right here on this rug. It's one of his bones, and if you guys can believe, he did this to my Calvin Kleins. You know. And right here in these boxes, I have my ring light, my studio lights. I usually bring them out when I film. Set it up right there. And then I just kind of put it back in the box when it's all done. Some more sunglasses right here, my Ray-Bans, postcard from Rome, all that fun stuff. There I am, hello. And this is half of my closet now. Now I'm sure it doesn't come as a surprise, but I have quite a lot of clothing. Now this needs a huge organization day. I'm gonna film a video how to organize your closet because I actually need to do that as soon as possible. So I have my sweaters right there, just some shirts, my jeans down there, receipts, memories, luggage. These are just random shoes that are just kind of really unorganized. Then right over here, I have more clothes, my shoe rack, which I should have put it together for the video, but this is real life. This is how it is looking right now. Then I have some hats right here. And then over here I have the bathroom, which, yeah, just a small little nice comfortable bathroom. Right there. Told you guys I use Lab Series all day. And there I am once again. My little sink, my speaker. I want to put something up there on the wall. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Nothing that interesting. And right over here is the bedroom. I have a couple pictures right here in the hallway. I actually took these from Malibu. Nice little light right here for night. And this is the bedroom. And this is actually a art picture. This is actually a photograph from Colin. He's a subscriber of mine. He sent that to me and I love it. It's gonna have this little cat, well, not little, you guys, this is pretty big. I forgot the exact name of this, but I'll link this down below in the info box because all you guys were asking me on my Instagram. But yeah, I love that it has like different, it's like black and white. Really, really cool. Huge calendar. Then I have a couple of more folded sweaters, bag, my laundry basket, and then this is Nugget's little bedroom slash his crate pretty much. And this is the bed. Dun, 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 dun. More clothing. Boom, boom, boom. Tin, 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 which I won't show you guys because it's pretty much of a mess in there. And yeah, this is the bedroom. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm not gonna show you guys the front yard, of course, but that is my apartment. That is where I live. This is where I live. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know below any suggestions, what would look nice as the entertainment, as a dining room table. I wanna ask you guys. I was waiting on filming this when I had everything like bought and stuff like that, but I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna show you guys the real deal, ask you guys for your advice or tips. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys take care and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace, adios.